Want to create a unique picture frame by yourself? Today, we'll show you how to do it easily. To make a picture frame, you'll need these materials and tools: wooden strips, backboard, glass panel, nailer, and fasteners. Start by aligning the wooden strips to form a frame. Use a V1015B picture frame nailer to secure the joints with V-nails. Now, your basic frame structure is complete. Insert the glass panel, then place your precious photo inside. Attach the backboard and use HM515 manual picture frame stapler to secure it tightly. And just like that, your picture frame is ready. With just a few simple steps, you created your own beautiful picture frame. Give it a try. Don't forget to like, follow, and stay tuned for more DIY projects.